Happy New Year, everybody! I'm so glad to have you with us on our channel again. In case we haven't met, I'm Hoàng, teacher at the IELTS Workshop, and today I would like to start the new year on a high note, or to start a new year strong with all of you by answering some speaking part 1 questions on the topic of social media. Now on with the show. Do you or your friends enjoy using social media? Yes, both I and my friends are really into using social media because it's our happy place. I mean, it curates tons of funny content that immediately puts us in a good mood, like some videos capturing people slipping on banana peels that I watched on YouTube the other day. Do you or your friends use social media too much? I don't really know about my friends, but for me, I do think that I spend too much time on social media. All too often, I find myself on social media platforms for hours on end, scrolling up and down newsfeed and checking notifications, which I believe are anything but essential. Do you like working in social media? Well, as much as I enjoy using social media for fun, as I said earlier, I don't really like it professionally. This is because I want work-life balance for my job, yet this can be a luxury for people in this industry, given that they often have to work around the clock to boost the traffic of their company's social media websites. In fact, this is why I didn't enroll in a course to do with social media for my undergraduate study. What's the most popular social media in Vietnam? When it comes to popularity in Vietnam, I think nothing beats Zalo, a homegrown social media app in Vietnam. It's because this app not only is user-friendly, but also offers superb privacy. What I mean is that users can register new accounts using domestic phone numbers, which I believe more people have than emails. And there's also this function of hiding chats, which keep them safe from prying eyes. All right, so that answer is a wrap for my speaking performance in today's video. I hope you will have success in your IELTS exam in 2023, and hãy để the IELTS Workshop làm tri kỷ của bạn. As always, I'm Hoàng, teacher at the IELTS Workshop. Until next time, keep on speaking.